how to download and install Python. Open a browser. Make use of the link python.org/downloads and press enter. This is the downloads page, and here you can also select your operating system, Linux, Unix, Mac, and other. I'm making use of Windows, and you click download Python and make sure that it is Python 3. Here at the bottom you can see it's size 25.5 megs. If the file is not available here at the bottom, you can also click on these three dots, click on downloads, and it's the file at the top. Click and it will start to install. This is very important. Make sure that you select this tick that reads Add Python 3.8 to path. Very important, especially when we start to import certain modules or when we have to make some installations of modules using pip installer. And then after you made your selection, click install now. Setup was successful and you click close. To open idle or Python, on the start menu type IDLE, and we've installed Python 3.8, and then I just select it. And here we have Python 3.8.3. This is the one that I've installed now. And this opens up the shell, and if you click on File and New, then you also have your editor where you can compile your scripts. If you want to make use of Python online, make use of the following URL: trinket.io. Sign up for your free account, and if you have a Google account, you can sign in with Google. And I've got a Google account, so I'll sign in with Google. Select the account that I want to sign in with, and this is what my trinket looks like. If I want to create a new trinket, I can select Python 3, and this is Python 3, the same one that we use offline on the computers, and this trinket version you can use online. And then also you can compile your script. For example, this will print hello, and if I run it, it runs the script on this right hand side, and here I can see my output hello.